this afternoon, I'm heading back to a location that I went to the beginning of this year. I don't know if you remember, I was in some woodlands and I saw something that could have been a potential for a good shot if there had been heavy rain. But at that time I was there was only like a tiny bit of water flowing down from that sort of gorge. So I'm going to go back there today. It's Sunday afternoon now, we've had a weekend of rain, so hopefully there's been enough heavy rain to get a decent flow of water coming down, running down. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. So we're going to head back to that lake location now, which is just outside Waterfall. When I get there, fingers crossed there'll be a nice amount of water flowing down to get a decent shot. It caught my eye last time and I thought, oh, this would be nice if there was enough water running down it. And, we'll see. Well, there's enough water there, I think, to make a nice shot. The only problem is there's a pool of water right in the front there. I knew I should have bought my waterproof boots. Wasn't expecting this, but what I'm going to try and do is move along the edge and try and get to the center over there. Probably get my feet wet, but I want the shot, so that's what I'll try and do. Now the walkway, which is all like in wooden slats, is extremely slippy over there. As you might have seen, I nearly went up my ass, so have to be careful. So at the moment I'm trying to find an angle which is going to work best. Even though I like the angle here, I do want to see the top of the falls there. You've got an overhang of leaves that might block it, but I'm probably going to take one on this end and probably one on that end. Much more water now than there was last time. But yeah, it should make a nice shot. I like it because it's in a sort of gorge, and the green moss on the bottom really, you know, makes it pop. So yeah, it's a nice little set of falls. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably put a 3-stop on and try and get a fifth of a second. We'll see how that works, because that tends to work more with a lot more water. Maybe this would be better on a longer exposure where it's more streaky. I don't know, I'm going to try different compositions just to get the right feel for it. But if you know what I mean, sometimes less water like that looks better as a streak, whereas if there was a lot more water falling down, it probably worked better as a fifth of a second. I'm going to try a few shots and see which works the best. So I've taken different shots, one from this angle, one from over there. I tried one at a fifth of a second, but I had to put my ISO up to 400 to get that exposure reading. I've also tried some at a second, and I think the most is about an 8-second exposure. So yeah, I think I'm quite happy with the shots. Hopefully they'll work out. Like I said, I've done horizontal shots to capture the moss and the rocks here in the foreground, which look fantastic, and yeah, hopefully something good will come from it. So I think what I'll do now is I'm going to pop the images from these little falls. So then, that's it for this short little vlog. Just wanted to pop back here because we had the weekend of heavy rain. I just wanted to see how much water was coming down, and hopefully would have had a nice shot from them little falls. So yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Please do subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.